Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Spotify skipping songs. So if Spotify just keeps on songs for no reason at all, basically it just randomly skips songs from your playlist, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix that. So there are a variety of ways in order to fix this and what could cause this issue. So I'm going to just run through all the steps, and the first thing you might want to try out is just making sure that you are actually connected to the Wi-Fi. Because when you have a playlist where some songs are downloaded and some are not downloaded, then it will skip all of the songs that are not downloaded. So make sure that you either have cellular mode enabled or that you're connected to the Wi-Fi in order to not basically get that issue. Now, if that didn't work for you, basically all of your songs are downloaded or you have Wi-Fi or cellular mode enabled, then the second thing I would simply recommend doing is heading over to your app store, just like this. And then what you can simply do is type in Spotify and make sure to update Spotify to the latest version. What you need to do is click on Spotify like this and then make sure it is updated to the latest version. If it's not, just click on update and you should be good to go. Now, if that was also not the fix, basically it's still happening, then the third thing I would recommend doing is opening Spotify, just like I have, and then going to home and then going to the top left corner of your screen at that profile picture. Once you've done that, click on settings and privacy, just like this. And basically once you've done that, scroll a little bit down until you find storage right here. Once you've done that, click on clear cache, and this will literally clear all of the cache over on your Spotify app. And we can literally see right now I have more than 2 gigabytes in cache, which is quite a lot, of course. So in order to clear it, just click on clear cache and click on clear cache, and that will basically free up a lot of space on Spotify, and it basically fixes some issues if you had issues. Now, if that also did not work out for you, then what you can simply do is open Spotify again, go to the top left corner of your screen again, then click on view profile, click on settings and privacy, and then on account, just like this. And once you've done that, what you simply need to do is log out of your Spotify account and re-log in. And sometimes if you simply do that, you will be able to re-log in, and it could fix some issues with Spotify, so I will definitely recommend doing that. Now, if that also did not fix the issue for you, then I would recommend simply restarting your phone to see if that maybe fixes the issue. And I would actually recommend going for a forced restart. In order to do that on your iPhone, simply press the volume up button really quickly, then the volume down button really quickly, and then immediately hold down the power button till the Apple logo till your entire phone goes black, but keep holding till the Apple logo basically appears. And once the Apple logo appears, just immediately let go of the power button, and then your phone will be restarted. And basically you have done a forced restart, and that is basically a harder version of a normal restart of your phone, which fixes a lot of issues with apps, including Spotify. Now, if that also did not work for you, then the last thing I would recommend doing is simply deleting the app. You can simply do this by holding down the app like this, clicking on remove app, and then you can reinstall it back using the App Store and log into your account again, and everything should be there again. Now, do know that when you do this, your downloads will be removed, so keep that in mind. However, reinstalling an app, basically 99% of the time, fixes any issue you are having with the app. And that's all I have for you guys right now. If you learned something from this video, or if any of these fixes fixed it for you, then please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.